gardening, there are many benefits of gardening. It can be as a fun hobby, improve the quality of life, and also impact the environment positively.
But are you having problems with storing the tools?
Many people find gardening hard because it needs a lot of energy and time. You will become so tired just for searching the stuff, and it consumes so much time. If you are using a bucket or box, it will be too heavy to carry around. You might drop it because of its weight. It is bad for your back and other body parts.
In order to solve this problem, we come up with a product as the solution. We name it the gardening bag. We call it the gardening bag because it can fit many gardening tools and it works like a bag. If you're wondering how it works, well, it functions like an exploding box.
If you want to use the tools, you just have to take off the rubbers from the buttons and it will open like an explosion. If you want to close it, you just need to close up all the sides of the cardboard and put the rubbers back on the buttons.
Our product might encourage more people to start gardening. This product also came up with wheels and a puller to help everyone, especially the seniors, to bring their gardening tools anyway. Did you know that gardening also helps the environment? As shown, this is a sketch of our product from the outside.
We use a washing machine drain hose as the puller because it is stretchable so you can easily adjust the length.
We also use some rubbers to keep the lid from opening. Next, this is the view from the inside. As you can see, we use plastic bottles to store things. And finally, this is the below view.